Hello everybody, welcome to Unbox Live with Drake and Jiles. I'm Drake, that's Jiles.
Hey, listen to Drake being all super pro over there with the intro. So first off, welcome everybody to the show. It's Sunday, and that means we got another product to unbox, and man, we got a big one today. That's right, we've got the new Hisense 65-inch, the U8N. So this is the new. There's some definite weight going on here. All right, but I always keep my pallets. I'm a pallet kind of guy. I have a stack in the backyard. I think it annoys my wife, but one day I'll have enough to like build a house or something, or some furniture. I can go into like a pallet furniture production company. Okay, all right. So in here, we can have the same 4 instructions. 1, open at the top, take out the styrofoam. 2, the top looks soft, this whole box. 3, lift the TV out, and 4, read the instructions. Caution, when unpacking the TV from the box, do not press on or hit the TV screen as you remove it. Mount on the wall or at any other time. Do not hit the screen. Don't do it. It's bad, right? Pressing on, or hitting the screen could result in a crack or to detach from the bezel. This may result in bodily injury and void the manufacturer's warranty. So don't do it. Talk to the ceiling fan, and this supposedly will lift up. So you can see that it had a pretty thick panel on the screen side. So this is the delicate side, and they said don't touch this. Use your hands on the back. Brad, the installer, is going to watch videos from me. Brad's going to be like, I haven't installed this yet. Let me check it out. But Brad the installer's got a really good channel, though. I agree. Yeah, he has so much stuff come through. It's pretty amazing. That's his job, right? He's an installer, right? He sells his stuff for a living, so he really gets to see everything as it happens pretty quickly. All right, so it just ruined that bag. Sorry, Hisense. That has been destroyed. And then this. Okay, so on this plate, this is pretty interesting because we've got the pads already built in. So there's a rubber in lots of places here, which is nice. And I assume this is the rear, and this will be the front, and then this is going to attach something like this. Done. Now, while we do this, we don't have a camera set up to see the rear of this thing, although I guess we could just flip it around and walk it. So maybe we shouldn't have flipped it around at the beginning like we did, and we should have had the back showing here. So yeah, we'll do that. We'll flip it around. So we do have 2 little hooks right here. All right. All right, well that's going to conclude the unboxing and stand installation on the Hisense U8N, 65 U8N. the new mini LED flagship until the 110 inch of the new 98 on the X series comes out. Keep an eye out for the upcoming video, the review of this, but I'm really excited to get this going. I think the price point on this 65 is right about $1,500, so it's a very affordable television, and we'll see how it keeps up when it comes to performance. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all those things, and keep an eye out. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see this TCL, because this is going to be a good comparison, right? So this TCL is like a $500 65 inch compared to a $1,500 65 inch from what I consider to be the two. They're not even up and coming brands anymore. They're now challengers, and I think that the mini LED technology that you're going to see out of all of these different brands rivals the best of OLED out there, and it's much brighter. This was 3,000 nits, super crazy bright. So make sure you're subscribed. Look for that video. This one will be following up here pretty soon. And with that, see you guys in the next one.